Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my costume jewelry collection. So let's get started. So this is called the Peter Pan collar necklace and this is how it looks. The second one is completely stone-studded necklace and it is a gift from my sister. Most of the necklace that you will be seeing in this video are gifts and all of them are from my sister. So a big shout out to her. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and enjoy this video together. I don't wear necklace that often, so I have very limited collection, and like I said before, all of them are from my sister. However, these are the few that I have and I absolutely love them, and that's exactly why I'm sharing it with you. This necklace, one of the chain came off. However, it's easily fixable, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix it later once this video is done. You can wear this kind of jewelry with your dress, with your western outfits, even with sarees as well. This is a very unique neck piece because you can wear it this way, or else you can flip it and wear it the other way as well. I like this kind of oxidized jewelry because I feel they complement my skin tone. This kind of neck pieces are trending right now, so they go very well with sarees. I have seen few pictures, and this is again a gift from a very close family member. Saved the best for the last. This is a turquoise neck piece, again gift from my sister. They match my nail polish as well. And with this we have come to an end of this video. If you like, please like, comment and share, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.